We won a free dinner buffet and 3 days accommodation from Astoria. Legit ba? So, kumain kami sa isang buffet sa Silang Cavite. Then, may paraffle sila. You just have to fill it out and submit. After 2 days, naka-receive ng call si Babe saying we won a free dinner buffet and 3 days and 2 nights accommodation. Sabi nila, ite-text daw nila yung info. Here's the screenshot. It says here you can enjoy a complimentary dinner buffet for 2 at the Astoria Greenbelt. We will be happy to see you tomorrow. This also means that you will be receiving a gift certificate for a complimentary 3 days, 2 nights accommodation for 2 in our tie-up resort or hotel for the following destinations: Davao, Stellar Potter's Ridge, Astoria Greenbelt, Makati, Bali, Indonesia, Bangkok, or Orlando, Florida. The gift certificate will be handed out after the 90-minute presentation which you will be attending after you enjoy the buffet. Mukha namang legit, kaya kinabukasan we went sa Astoria Greenbelt branch nila for the dinner buffet and sa 90 minutes conference. Hindi daw kasi makukuha yung 3 days and 2 nights accommodation unless umattend kami dyan. So, andyan na nga kami. Malapit lang siya sa Greenbelt Mall. Then, in-assist lang nila kami sa seats namin. Then, kumain na kami. Food was great. Konti nga lang, pero masarap. May steamed bangus, Bicol Express, pork caldereta, bachoy, chicken afritada, breads, fruits, salads, and desserts, of course. Sobrang nasarapan ako sa chocolate cake nila. Pagkatapos namin kumain, in-assist kami ni Sir Nolly para sa 90 minutes conference. Basically, diniscuss lang nila yung mga accommodation nila sa iba't ibang lugar like Palawan, Boracay, Panglao, Tagaytay, at marami pang iba. They offered us a deal na sa mga nananalo lang ng raffle yung makakakuha. And walang sapilitan. They will still give you yung 3 days and 2 nights accommodation mo kahit i-decline mo yung offer nila. Yung 90 minutes conference, parang 1 hour lang siya and di namin namalayan kasi super light lang kausap ni Sir Nolly. Tawanan lang kami to the max. Shout out kay Sir Nolly dyan. At the end, binigyan na nila yung voucher namin which is valid for 2 packs within 6 months from the dinner buffet and should be booked before November. Ayun guys, legit siya. Nabusig na kami. May free accommodation pa. I love it!